In this section, what we're going to discuss next is the application and implication of big data in a more structured, user-friendly environment. Since we recall from Tiago's conversation, big data has numerous complexities to it. When I want to compare an Excel spreadsheet to another, things are very simple, but if somebody sends me a PDF of something in Excel, it's a little bit harder for me to use one program without scrolling through a number of windows to kind of do an analysis and perhaps get two small windows that allow me to look at and analyze data. Hadoop is meant to simplify the process of looking at data across platforms of data complexity. MapReduce is one of those primary technologies that we see that is utilized from the standpoint of users that are interested in aggregating data for various purposes. When I go to Bing and I want to locate the price of a particular stock or commodity or whatever it is, I can Google search, the price of various things. And the way this search process with Hadoop works, it indexes and assigns key variables to data. And so processes run parallel to one another, and instead of looking at a search for a particular topic as one process, it creates two processes that run parallel and reduce the amount of load on your databases, on your servers, and on all that communication, that interplay of data and information. Hadoop uses MapReduce, as we discussed, to simplify these processes, but it also has implications for the cost. Because when we rely on big searches and big data, we're going to need to be utilizing massive amounts of storage space, which is very expensive unless the appropriate techniques to scale it down for cost are utilized. As a consequence, MapReduce has evolved from being utilized in your basic Google searches to being utilized for comparing data across multiple data platforms, social media, wikis, things that involve more data-intensive searches. In our next section, Rosa is going to discuss more applications of the product, and I hope you've enjoyed working with one another to learn about Hadoop as we have done. It's a very, very interesting process. Thank you.